Here's a common question we get all the time with Descript. What if I have this recorded video in landscape and the framing of my guest is funky? When I go to play it back, how do I get this into vertical? I'm gonna show you a little trick that we use. So first we're gonna click right here and change it to portrait mode. I have that on another clip, but then you still get this funky formatting. So I can take this and make it fit one speaker and reframe it, but it also has part of my other guest, and maybe I want them both. How can I get this down here? Well, what you can do is take one of your layers and frame it. So this is just me talking at the top, and we're gonna hit copy. So from here, you'll see it's just me and then half of my guest frame, but I want him in the center. I'm gonna take this layer, copy, and I'm gonna paste it right here where my scene starts. And now I have him, and I can take my crop tool and crop this down. So I'm really just duplicating one layer on top of the other, but now it's frame perfect for a vertical clip.